Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm a massage student at the NPC Snowflake campus. So I heard about the SNAP CAN program through Bridget. She's the coordinator here on campus. She has been instrumental in helping me succeed in this program. She's helped me purchase uniforms for the program, purchase books, help pay for some of my classes. So recently my Jeep broke down and I was unable to get to school, and the SNAP CAN program reached out to me and let me know that they would help me with my Jeep repairs. And that has been instrumental in me being able to get to school. And it's so amazing, they help with gas too. One more thing that they are helping me with is all of my testing and all of the fees associated with my tests and applications for the state boards and all of that. So I am extremely grateful for the program and everyone here at NPC for helping me so much.
Hi, I'm Serenity. I'm a student at NPC and currently I am doing some welding classes. It's 30 minutes to town and then 30 minutes all the way to Holbrook. The program helped me get the gas that I've been having trouble with. I'm also unemployed. It helps me even more. So I have the money to get where I need to go while I look for another job. I was informed of SNAP CAN from my mom. She also does a lot of classes, so she also used it because she's a stay-at-home mom. I've had a lot of help with my car troubles and getting all the supplies that I need for my classes. If you're a student like me, I really recommend this program because it helps you get on your feet. Some people just need that extra help. Even if you don't think you need it, you should probably still do it because it is really helpful and it'll cause a lot of less stress. And less stress means you can focus more on your classes and what you like to do. SNAP CAN will be a huge help if you're struggling financially.
So to apply for SNAP CAN, you qualify if you receive any type of food assistance from the state, but then there's an easy application process that Bridget helps walk you through, and it's basically just a simple application, and because you already qualify with the state with the SNAP program, you're able to qualify for this program through NPC. If you're a student that needs help financially, SNAP CAN is great because Bridget is such a great communicator and how she bridges the gaps between our needs and what the school and the programs that they have will provide for us. Thank you so much, NPC, for this opportunity to succeed and do really well in the massage therapy program.
Thank you, NPC and Bridget. You've helped so much with me getting closer to my career goal and helping me so much with my education, and it caused me so much less stress with all your help. Thank you guys so much.